Imagine great freedom of robot movement despite limitations caused by cables and hoses. Robot System Products proudly presents CiRo, a cost-effective solution to achieve the flexibility of internal cabling.
Cables and hoses are often the main factor limiting robot movement. At the same time, there is a great demand for a compact cell layout and flexible production.
Cable wear causes unpredictable maintenance needs, which are time-consuming and costly. It can even lead to unnecessary stops in production. Robot System Products has identified a challenge and engineered a solution to address the problem.
Our R&D engineers have developed a product that offers all major robot brands a flexible cabling solution. This results in great freedom of movement and high uptime. We call it CiRo, Circular Rotator.
Passing cables through CiRo limits cable swing and results in less wear and similar cabling behavior as with internal dressing.
CiRo enables up to 500 degrees of movement between end positions. Combined with our hose packages, CiRo is easy to install.
CiRo is available in 3 different sizes for all major robot brands. Cables and hoses can be selected freely to suit any application.
High uptime, low maintenance, less wear,
Extended hose package lifetime, quick and easy installation, high reliability. Dress your robot smartly with CiRo.
Robot System Products, improving robot flexibility.